Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video I'm going to show you this Ahmed food product of Islamic Republic of Pakistan, Kasoori methi. So it's a Kasoori methi, which is also known as fenugreek leaves. You must have seen the seeds which are commonly available in market, but this I found it very hard. It was very hard to find it because only two brands were there of Kasoori methi. The weight is 40 gram, and what it contains is mentioned over here, which is anardana powder, anardana. Okay, this does not contain all these. These are the range of ground and whole spices which this brand is producing. You can have a look. Anardana powder, black pepper curry, and so these all things. So it include the Kasoori methi also. It will cost you $50. So go and purchase this pure veg, and the company is from since 1952. So this is how it looks like. Let's open the back box and let's see what is there inside. So this beautiful, it smells actually really good. In all the Indian cuisines, in Indian curries, you'll find this flavor. It's very amazing flavor. Paneer, chicken tikka, masala, beef, everything they'll put Kasoori methi. So this look amazing. It smells really nice. So let's open and smell a little bit more. I'm not gonna open the whole packet, just little I opened. And over here, amazing. It smells amazing, and this is how it looks like. So friends, if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and press that bell icon for more my videos. Till then, bye bye.